In this video, I will tell you 2 masking techniques, so let's start with masking the door open first.
So first drag the door open video onto the timeline. After this, place the second video below the first video. If there is any unwanted part in the video, then trim it. Then split the scene where you want to mask the door. Speed up the split video a little by clicking the keyboard Ctrl on it and left mouse click. After this, set the video below the video above. Then go to the mask option before masking. After that, shorten the above video a bit to make masking easier. Then go to mask and select draw mask and start the mask from this point of the door. After masking, invert the mask. Then add keyframe. Here is the result after keyframe. But it doesn't look that good. We need to apply effects for this, so let's do it. So go to Effects and select Square Blur, and add it to the video below. Go to the properties of the video below and add a keyframe to the effect. Then add another keyframe a short distance later. Then reduce its opacity to 0. Then go to the first keyframe and increase the blur 11. The video is complete. If you want to apply transition, can be placed here. Go to Media and take an adjustment layer. We'll drag and drop the adjustment layer here and split it here. I will add the transition here. Okay, the video is now complete. Let's watch. Maybe this video is not made properly, but I have told you its method. You can make it as per your convenience. So the second masking is this. If you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's start. Drag main video to timeline. Select the scene you want to mask. This is also like the first video. So zoom out the video and select draw mask on the mask. Like the first video. That's why I won't say anything, you just watch. Here a little something has been added. You can also add this to increase the blur strength on the first keyframe of masking, depending on the video. This video looks smooth. If you don't like the video, then comment, so I know what I'm doing wrong.